I'm going to tell you about enhanced rock weathering. So how this process works is weathering is a natural process that happens in nature all the time, and annually this sequesters hundreds of millions of tons of CO2. And the process begins with rain. As the rain falls to earth, CO2 is dissolved into the rainwater, forming slightly carbonic acid, and when that acid falls onto material like basalt, which is a volcanic rock, that carbonic rain reacts with the magnesium, calcium, sodium in the basalt, forming stable bicarbonates, which is washed out into rivers and eventually out to sea, where that CO2 is then locked away for geological time. So how enhanced rock weathering works is we're taking the basalt and we're powderizing it to increase its surface area, and therefore massively increasing the rate at which this weathering process happens. But thankfully we don't have to go around the countryside just crushing mountains into powder. There is already an aggregate industry where they quarry basalt for roads, buildings, but the byproduct from that industry is very fine powdered basalt, which they have no use for. So we take a byproduct, we spread it onto agricultural land, and that process of weathering actually raises the soil pH, increases the soil nutrients, and has a lot of benefits to soil health. So the farmers get the added benefits of soil nutrients and soil pH improvements, and we're sequestering large amounts of CO2 at the same time. So everybody wins.